Hello everyone, welcome to VEGAAHI IT Private Limited. In this video, we are showcasing an AI-based eye disease detection project developed by our experts at VEGAAHI IT Private Limited. This project demonstrates how students can apply artificial intelligence and deep learning to solve real-world healthcare problems using industry-standard practices. Now we'll see the execution process, and you can observe the batch file. This batch file will be run and it will be redirected to the console. In the console, you can see the Python app.py. The app.py is a file name, so it will connect to the TensorFlow. Through the TensorFlow, by connecting the top layer of Keras, it will be redirected to the application. Here you can see the admin module. In the admin module, you have to enter username and password. After entering the username and password, you will now enter into the landing page. The landing page have covered with few buttons and the title detection and classification of eye disease using deep learning. Now when we click on upload, you will see the dataset folder. So it is a local folder, and when we select that, all the datasets consist in that folder will be uploaded to from this respective location. So now what we do after loading the dataset, we have to do pre-process. In the pre-process, you can observe there are the few class distributions. Using these class distributions, now our training model is going to be worked out. So when we click on the training model, it will be redirected to the training process of the neural network. In this, you can observe the word called epoch. A key concept students learn here is epoch. An epoch represents one complete pass of dataset through the neural networks. By training the model over multiple epochs, the student clearly see how the model learns gradually, improves accuracy and reduce errors. So this is the process of training the model. So what you see on the screen is the real-time training output of the model. Here you can observe the epochs, the strides, and when we heard about this word called stride, so it is another concept in neural networks. So in convolution neural network, the stride controls how filter moves across the image to extract the features. So by adjusting the stride values, student learns how model balance detail extraction and performance. And you will observe the few words of loss value decretion, category accuracy, and valid accuracy increase, proving that the model is learning correctly and performing well on unseen data. So as shown in the execution flow, so here this is the process of analyzing these metrics, true model parameters, and avoiding like overfitting, skills that are essential for real world developers, AI engineers, and data scientists. So after this training the model, we have to save the model. So we have a folder called model. So in that model folder, we are going to save this model. So why we have to save the model? Because training a deep learning model takes times in computation. Instead of training the model every time, we save it as model.h5, or we used to use custom name and reuse whenever required. So instead of training each and every time, we used to train once and we use many for the sake of testing. So is the training have successfully completed, and we have saved the model file by the name eye disease accuracy model, and you can see that model folder. In the model folder, we have saved the model file. So now after that, we are coming back to the landing page and we are loading the model. So whatever the model have saved, and the model have saved with 10 classes. Yes, and next we go and see the predict eye disease, and these are the samples images. Here we have given one image of glaucoma, and here it was predicted correctly. The model have performing well, and we can also give another test case, and this with disc edema means whatever the image we are giving, the model have getting perfectly or not is the scenario happening here. So if you are student looking to learn artificial intelligence, deep learning, and real-time project development, VEGAAHI IT Private Limited is the right place to start your journey. Learn, build, grow with VEGAAHI IT Private Limited. Thank you for watching.